Yeah. Woo. Yo, we back at it again with another little vlog, man. I got a few errands that I got to run today, so therefore, we're going to be taking mail rolls since everybody want to say that I don't never pull mail rolls out. You know, I don't like pulling out. Nobody has Chevys over here. Saw some road footage and probably some rolling footage as well. Man, to get a crunk up for y'all, man. You know, we got that big thing. You got that big thing. Got to capture them rolling footages today, man. That rolling footage. Roll shots, whatever you want to call it, man. Oh, I guess not. I gotta start out by moving this Yoda. I gotta get this Yoda back on the road. It ain't nothing but just a radiator. Gotta change, but I gotta find time to. And to be honest with y'all, man, the only reason why I don't be pulling mail rolls out is because the weather. Like earlier today was pouring down raining. Why would I bring mail rolls out in the middle of the rain? It's just something that I'm not cool with. And plus, it's a little gap over here still there. And that side is pretty much flushable. I mean, it's not that bad. It ain't bad enough so I wouldn't be able to drive mail rolls. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm over here trying to make it to damn Wawa's, man, but I think I'm gonna have to stop at the gas station over here by the house. Try to get me some gas, man. I'm out here getting y'all some of this good sunlight footage of mail rolls. Let y'all see what Brown did to her, man. Brown got a glass house. I go back and go get my hood line, man. Mail rolls would be I'm gonna end up taking off the dash and sanding this down and respraying that black. I got a new face cover to put on it, but I won't be putting that on until my digital dash get installed in. I still gotta go back to Church Coast Audio and let them put in my music, speakers, my digital dash. I seen one of those built and I bought with tray trucks out there in the parking lot. I did. It was parked out there in the front in the handicap. I'm just trying to figure out who hopped out that was handicapped. You don't know? I don't know either. I had to stop and get Melrose some gas. As y'all know, I can't tell what my gas meter be reading on, but I'm here to try to go get me a smoothie, man. Get me a smoothie and finish up my day. tropical smoothie, man. The Treyway, Jetty Punch, no banana, kiwi, sub, dog. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, man. This was probably one of the smartest things that I ever could have been put inside this car. Cause at first, if you know, I wasn't gonna have no center console, man. But I'm starting to love it. Hold my liquor, hold my little wallet, hold my AirPods. Only thing that we missing now, man, is that thumb. I also want to give y'all like a full walk around. Like when I say a full detailed walk around, like these little walk arounds that I've been throwing up in this vid, that ain't nothing compared to what I'm about to do. Y'all gave me this raggedy behind stroke to what I'm about to show y'all, man. So let's slide out. Alright, man, I had to switch location, boy. Shit almost made me bust his ass, boy. Listen, man, I'm from Fort Pierce, dog. You don't walk up on me with your hands in your pocket. You feel me? If you want to talk to me about the car, man, don't put your hands in your pockets. Too many of them little jits around. I'm outnumbered. You feel me? I do got the thing on me, but you feel me? I ain't trying to do it to them little jits, man. I had to switch locations up on them, man. Give y'all a complete walk around. Let y'all see how that thing look, man. My brother made a valid point when he was at the house the other night, right? So he asked me, he say, bro, why do you take so long to want to jump back on the car? You get what I'm saying? It ain't even that, man. I'll be at the house, I just be chilling. You feel me? I know I could do a full 30-day run with this car and be completely done, man. And be completely done. But like I was telling bro, I did mess up when I ended up selling the rims. So stay tuned to the next vlog. I got a exciting thing to tell y'all, man. So y'all gotta just tune in with that. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, dog. Legit, man. You feel me? That's how you supposed to be, man. You feel me? Walk up to me, tell me that you like the car, dog. Keep your hands out your pockets, man. What you got your hands in your pockets for? Then on top of that, when I'm vlogging, you trying to inch up on me while I got my back turned. You feel me, bro? Don't do no mess like that. Y'all full walk around of that thing, man. Should have been went to Ace today and got my new bolts to go up in the inside, but I'll probably grab them sometime this week. Y'all full walk around the Melrose, man. I gotta finish putting together my interior. I got the little chrome pieces that go up in the inside. I gotta get me some new screws and I go to Ace. I gotta finish buttoning down those seat belts, and then the little chrome piece I gotta take off the whole door panel and then screw it from the back end and whatnot. But other than that, Melrose look good. I got a whole bunch of compliments today. We was out on the road driving around. Gotta put my antenna back on too. I want no nitpickers saying, yeah, you ain't got no antenna, you just got the hole just sticking out, man. Melrose 1000, man, she official. Just gotta go back to Mike though, so we can put that new intake, tuck a couple wires up underneath that, but she still look good though. Still look good. I got that thing glass house up underneath there. Ryan, he's just wasting gas, man, just wasting gas. I think I need to go back and clean my windows a little piece. I do. Stay tuned. I'm gonna turn that into a vlog. I'm gonna turn that into a vlog to get to y'all as well, man. Yeah, Melrose out here whining and dining, tropical smoothie runs, running a couple errands. That's what I'm talking about, dog. Full fledged Melrose. Nah, time to take your ass back home. Showing out, man. Let me know if y'all like my 305. A little 305 that make niggas have common sense, dog. because my overly priced leaf blower, every time I crank it up, damn leaves go to flying all over the place.
But my shit so clean, the Chevy do something to my self-esteem. Alpine in the dash, and the dudes in the ass, and that wet paint shit look like glass.